how to share TikTok to Instagram. If you found a TikTok video that you want to share on your Instagram story, whether it's your own or someone else's, there's a simple way to do it. First, open the TikTok app and find the video you want to share. On the share icon at the bottom right corner of the video. From the sharing options, select Copy Link. This will copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Now, open the Instagram app and swipe right to create a new story. You can either take a new photo or use a screenshot of the TikTok video as a background. To add an image, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left and select the image you want to use. Next, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen and select the link sticker. In the box that appears, paste the TikTok link you copied earlier. You can also customize the link text by tapping on Customize Text and typing something like Watch on TikTok. Once the link is added, you can move and resize it anywhere on your story. When you're happy with the placement, tap Share to post it to your Instagram story. Your followers will now be able to tap the link and go directly to the TikTok video. That's how to share TikTok to Instagram.